Today is Thursday, February 15, 2024, 8:45 a.m. Eastern. The market opens in 45 minutes. These are levels that have been identified to trade against in the E-mini futures today. Again, the vertical line on the left of the screen is where the market closed yesterday. And after the market closes today, we will analyze all the trades taken based on these levels. We are at the end of the day. We're still looking at a 15-minute chart since that's how we left off this morning. I will switch to a 1-minute chart so we can have more granularity. But the spiders did hit two levels, produced two trades. One was recorded in real time. We'll take a look at that momentarily. But first, let's get a view of the entire day with a 1-minute chart. So before we jump into the recording of the first trade of the day that was recorded in real time, let's take a look. This was the first trade. The spiders hit 530 cents, produced a short trade. We'll take a look at that one. They came down pretty close, but not enough to trigger a trade at 498.67, took off, and they got up close here that within a near miss scenario because they pulled away pretty quickly, but there was enough time between here and when they came back to visit it again that it was worth taking the trade again. Took that trade, but I was did not record it. I was not able to record it at the time. But we'll take a look at what I did record right now. So it wasn't too long after the market opened that spiders were heading up into 530 cents. So an order was in the system to go short if the spiders hit that. And I'm checking right now. Just want to talk about this. They came up not quite close enough to 530 cents and pulled back away. And they honestly didn't get close to they got like within a penny or two of 499.90. So that would be a near miss if they were within 40 cents. But I was active in this trade and went ahead and triggered it. You saw it got entered here. So I'm looking for 4 points. And they pulled away pretty quickly. And we'll take a look at this one play out. So once that trade was satisfied, or that level was satisfied, looking for the next level down or up. In this case, they did come down. I'll scrub ahead so we can take a look at what the spiders did. They got pretty close to 498.67 and pulled away pretty quickly. Let's let this go here because when they pulled away and didn't look back, I consider that trade satisfied. I think the recording stopped about right there for some reason. Yeah, let me just go back to it. I'm not sure why, but it never did hit the level, and it would not it would have qualified for a near miss. They pulled away pretty quickly. Can't remember how close they got, but anyway, I had the order activated. Never happened, so it's basically a non-issue at this point. So let me go back to the full day so we can talk about the other trade that was not recorded. So here we can see again the trade that we just watched. At this level, they came down. The low of this candle was 498.80. Not quite close enough to call this a near miss, but they pulled away and never looked back. So like I said, it was non-issue. Doesn't matter here anymore because this level had already been satisfied. They got up to within a near miss scenario. The high of this 1:31 p.m. candle was 501.68. It was within 10 cents, and they pulled away. So if they'd come back soon, I would have canceled this trade, canceled the order activation. But the time it took for them to get from this near miss or this kind of coming up close but not getting it to when they did hit it, it was enough time. I have a certain parameter there that I look for, and that had already, the time had elapsed. So I was willing to take the trade again, and it worked. On the second time, they pulled away. So I was in this trade, didn't record it. I'd actually left. I was at the office, so I'm not recording trades when I don't have the same setup. So 2 trades for today, and we'll take a look at the tracking log just to bring this full circle. So here we are. Here are the 2 levels, 2 base hits, 8 E-mini points, and not a bad day. We have one more day of the week. Hopefully it ends pretty well. I'm going to just, going forward, I'm going to try to remember to make the tracking log show a 2-week, rolling 2-week period of time. So this is Monday, February 5th, and then after Friday ends, the next week we'll start with Monday, this Monday here on the 12th, and then continue. This gives me room here at the bottom for the end screen of these YouTube videos, so it doesn't block anything when I put the little subscribe button and the other, like a recommended video. So I've just noticed that I'm covering them up in some of the later videos I've been doing. So anyway, I hope you found this information interesting. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment. I'd like your feedback. Thanks, and have a nice day.